Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to bypass Google FRP in Samsung A30. Let's start the video without wasting any time. And in this video I am not using any type of computer software etc. Let's start video. This video is fully based on your phone. After that hard reset, your phone interface look like that. Simply click on this start button and agree to all and click this agree. You have three options to set up your device. First, Galaxy or Android device. In this method, you scan this QR and set up your account. But I am not one to right now, so I simply second method iPhone या iPad या third method set up manually. I am going to set up manually. Please choose a Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Without Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot, you cannot do this process. So I am connecting the Wi-Fi network, so I am going to the next button. Wait few seconds friend. Google wants to my pattern, but I forget my pattern, so I am going to use my Google account instant. There is an option of use my Google account instant. Google wants to verify my account. He wants to my Gmail, but I also forgot my Gmail, so I am going to simply home button. Okay friends, and go to this emergency call and write a code. This USD code is very important. Without this code, you cannot do further process in FRP. This code is *H0*H. The new page is coming on. Simply go to the sensor and wait 5 seconds. Patiently check your fingerprint trace version. Okay, go back to back button. Simply go to the speaker. Wait 5 seconds. Click on this back. Okay. You see that there is a language option. I choose English US because many software developed in US, so choose English US. Okay. Go to this start button. Click on this agree. Set up manually. Wait few seconds friend. Yes. Add network and create a network. Network name is Samsung. And password is FRP bypass. Okay, go to the save. Okay friend, save and please choose add network. Please choose add network. Go to the setting. The setting icon is here. Click on this setting. Scroll down and last option is reset to default setting. Go to there. Firstly reset keyboard setting, reset. erase personalized prediction, erase personalized touch recognition data, erase clear cache. After that, go to the simply this back and click on this next button. There is a skip button. In the starting of video, there is a no skip button. In left corner, you see that there is a skip button. So Google's allowed to bypass this page. So I am simply clicking this skip button. I am not copying data, so simply click don't copy. फिर skip. Go to accept. If you want to protect your phone, so with this protection feature, but I don't want to right now, so I simply go to skip. Click to OK. Scan this QR with Samsung account, but I have no Samsung account, so I simply go to forget but don't have enough partner. If you want to create account, to create, but I am not want to right now, so I'm simply go to setup later in settings. Why do you need a Samsung account? What is the benefit of Samsung account? There is, but I don't want to right now, so I simply go to skip. I'm going to select all and agree. Samsung service permission, click on this agree button. If you want to choose your display mode, light, so click on light. If you want to dark, to dark, but I want to light, so I simply go to the next button. Go to the smart tutor, next, click on this next. You are all set up, click on this finish. Click on this agree. Click this choose your language, English. Click on this continue button. If you want to introduce yourself, but I don't want to right now, so I go to skip. Click on this install, sign up, finish, all done, finish. After bypassing FRP process, my phone interface look like that. Note down friend, if your battery is above to 80%, so you do this process. Please thank you for watching my video.